What's up, everybody? Welcome to WN channel. Today we're gonna react to this amazing video of from Azanair with High School Section Wars, as you guys requested.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Oh,
And sorry, guys.
before that, can we play the last scene
Oh,
from
yeah.
the previous episode?
Sorry, guys. We didn't watch until the end
Oh,
because we
yeah.
thought it's already finished.
And yeah,
Guys, ba't namoy tae?
just in no, jangan di akhir kali.
This one.
Yeah.
Weirdo.
Okay, okay.
Interclass debate.
Is this include in what he said? Oh,
In the debate. Oh, this is what it's.
Oh. Okay.
He was going to give that to
Yeah.
her.
But it's too late. Okay.
Too
Okay.
precious.
Now,
Okay.
let's continue. High School Section Wars. Dari ka. Okay.
Let's get
Sa
started.
lahat ng section na na-handle ko, you are the worst!
Oh,
Oh,
what the hell?
wow, the
I love the
production.
effect.
Yeah,
The effect.
Pero paano nga ba tayo umabot dito? Jesus Marie! Ano, may balak pa ba kayong pumasok o wala? Kita kayo ng simbangon! Para kayong mga anak na yaman! Kung magsigising tanghali na!
Bangon.
Hintayin niyo ba ako yung babangon sa inyo? Ang gising na pala yung Disney Princess! Anong hinihintay mo? May hangin sa'yo para gumising ka? Ano ka, may Prince Charming?
Morning, Precious.
Oh.
Ganda umaga. Kaya mas maganda ka pa sa umaga.
Oh.
Ito mga to. Hindi ka pa nag-toothbrush, hindi ka pa nagsaing, hindi pa ako nagluluto ng almusal. Napakabatugan ko talaga. Eh, kayo nga dati, kailangan nyo pa tumuwid ng ilang ilog para makapunta ng eskwelahan. O, ito na po, mahal na Rina. Pagluluto na po yung pinakamaganda yung prinsesa.
Oh, the shade.
Na may dalawang Prince Charming.
Di ba kan ikan semua favorite na ito ba ya?
Oh, don't skip your meals, ha? Alis mamaya. Miss na kita.
What the? Is that a fresh wash?
Bagong flavor ba to?
Hindi ka man lang nag-try. May iba ka na ba? Paano na ako?
Eh di dun ka na sa Joanna mo.
Oh.
Ay, ganda mo talaga, te. Tigdadalawa yung lalaki, pinagpala ka. Aray! Ano ba problema mo?
Oh, the personality.
Gilulo ka na naman.
Delulu.
Ano ba problema mo? Hindi ko ako masaya. Ano masaya? Bawal ka maging masaya. Pagpapauto ka na naman sa kanila. Ano ba? Mahilig ka na nga. Wala ka ba sariling buhay? Tiya, tigil-tigilan mo ako. Ano ba, Blas? Bawal kang Blas. Ano ba? Ma! Ma! Ay, wala. Diyos ko po, isalba niyo yung anak ko.
She's so tired of her daughter, guys.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, this is the bus is actually was left over from the war.
After school?
So they really strong.
You too. Take care. Ay. Okay, thanks.
Oh, okay,
Oh.
okay.
Play it.
Play it cool.
Alam mo
Bilis
yun.
naman mag-reply. Ay.
She thought he it's
Actually,
him, but no. That's funny.
Sorry na.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry na. Precious, sorry na. Kausapin mo naman
But
ako.
but he didn't do anything wrong though.
Si Joanna, kapatid ko lang yun.
Alam ko.
Uy, kausapin mo naman ako,
Yeah,
please.
just...
Got you an umbrella. Just in case it rains again.
Oh,
May bayan din ako dito.
ang payong. Oh,
Hindi man automatic.
What? Payong?
you guys said
He said payong.
payong too.
Because in Indonesia, we call
Payong.
umbrella payong.
Ano mga payong nila?
See, we're really brothers and sisters.
Period.
Pero,
Kababayan.
Kasi lang. Matik.
Pag ginagaya ko,
Ano na mag-basketball? Bulok ka doon. Anong balo? Ha? Ano ba ang problema mo? Ha?
Oo.
Sagot!
Oh.
Precious, ito. Kunin mo na, please.
No precious. Use mine.
Oh my god,
Sige,
his
Precious,
voice.
kunin mo na. Kunin mo na, please.
No precious. Gamitin mo yung akin.
Hindi na, ito
Oh
na.
my god.
Ito na.
Gamitin mo yung akin.
Ito na, please, kunin mo na.
Oh.
The voice, guys. It's like between man versus boy.
But which of this boy that Precious will use?
Use?
The umbrella.
Oh, thank you.
Under their stomach. I love the expression, yes. Come on, Tien. Sometimes the volume is always low,
Yeah.
high, low, high.
Ay, stress rehearsal na to. Kailan pa ba kayo magseseryoso?
Uy, guys, seryoso daw.
Yung ibang section ng handa na, tapos tayo wala pa sa kalahati. Guys, ano ba? Bukas na to.
Saan tayo, tol? DNC? DNC!
Hihinig na ako. Guys, nakikinig ka ba kayo?
What is? Oh yeah.
Pagod na ako dito ha, sa totoo lang.
Konting pakikisama naman, guys. Pinaiyak nyo na naman si leader.
Mabuti sana ko individual grading na, pero damay-damay tayong lahat eh.
Oh.
Kung kaya nyo makinig sa akin, edi sana kayo na lang dito sa harapan.
Oh.
Nangyari doon?
Oh guys, tapos na yung water break.
Mas may costume na lahat. Saan na nga tayo banda, guys?
So she's
Hindi
the
pala siya
leader.
She is in the wrong class while he was.
I guess. Girl, you are the Lulu.
That's so wow.
Oh wow.
Everything changed when the Fire Nation
Wow, that's so
Before the
funny.
Fire Nation attack.
And down. Okay guys, konting polish na lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. May Zoom gali-gali rin sila. Yung costume nila, parang sa akin.
5,
Oh,
6, 7,
the spying.
Gali-gali. Tigil. Guys, pagkasara nga yung bintana, meron kasi mga naninilip na spy eh. Ha? Ano spy?
They got cock.
Walis nga lang kami dito eh. Oo nga
It's like
eh.
from
Nawalis lang kami
our
dito.
ne-
Hindi ako spy.
never from
Mas lalo naman ako.
Timor.
Kompleto yung papeles ko.
Papua?
May birth certificate ako. May NBI ako. Alam mo kung ano pa? Higit sa lahat, may passport ako. Baka ikaw ang spy.
Ako? Hindi nga. Magbebenta na ako tissue dito sa Pinas. Etsu, madet mata, madet kita. Innocented ako.
We,
Ako.
hindi nga. Sinong advisory natin ng grade 9?
Si Teacher Lumilin.
Aha! Sabi ko na nga, ba, ini-etchus mo lang ako eh. Si Miss Castro kaya ang teacher natin ng grade 9. Teka lang. Ba't tayo nag-aaway?
Yeah. Why they are?
Hindi tayo spy.
Yung honor, narinig ko sa kabila session. Makapalas tayo.
Oo nga, pati costume. Di ba tayo nauna doon, tapos dumaan pa kami sa classroom nila, patakip-takip pa sila ng kortina.
Mm-mm.
Feeling naman nila, gagayahin sila.
Oh.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Oh.
Classmates, from the top, maximize your voice at iparinig natin sa kanila yung sariling atin. Dapat sila yung mag-adjust.
Mm-mm.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ride up, tapos...
Miss, narinig mo yun? Hala, chant natin yun ah.
Oo nga.
Magpapatalo ba kayo?
What's wrong with this?
Kan selalu ada sih orang yang sakit terus gitu loh, yang gampang sakit.
They're never in class. I thought they.
Yeah, there are few room, but no, they're
Next to each others.
More power! More energy!
Oh. Wow.
Got it!
Even the speakers
Yeah.
crack.
We are the Dalek University!
oh yeah.
Yes.
Come on,
Pose. Dollar.
come on. Word. Oh. Yeah. Pose. Feel it, mama. Feel it.
Oh.
They're going crazy.
Naalala niyo pa ba yung section yung ayaw magpatapos?
You are sick. Green Dragon.
Del na. Nanap mo. Tara.
Coach! Sean, there's two with us.
Yes, coach. Okay, stick tayo sa place natin, ha?
Sabi ko hindi dahil sa pass mo, hindi ako sasama dito. Bakla, kailangan mo bawiin yung 1/50 mo sa exam. 5 points yung rekta sa card eh.
Tayo, ha?
Okay, game. Dragon sa 3.
Okay.
And from the Green Dragons, we have the 2023 MVP,
Oh.
this year's team captain, Sean Gasaga.
Tropa ko yan!
Oh.
Game! Sige, tol! Ganyan nyo, tol! Go! Game! Woo! Pagtambak kayo, tol, pasok nyo ko, ha? Nagtubig ako dito!
Oh my god, the way they shoot him
As a
like
band player,
yeah.
I thought he's the.
But no, she just what?
He just replaced.
Is that not replaced but their word for that? Okay, we don't know that
Apa?
word.
Pengganti. Substitute.
Oh,
High school pa ba yan?
Wah.
Group of Pats and Green Dragons.
I love the design.
Laki niya talaga. Laki-laki nito eh. Baka wala sa usapan ah. Malamang big star siya dyan. Team captain nga, di ba? Alam mo, dami mong sinasabi. Kung ayaw mo sa akin na lang. Guys, sino gusto na plus po? Akin na, joke lang. Ito naman, di mabiro eh. Cute-cute kayo ng kanto. Sino ba naman hindi gusto humawak ng mukha ng big star, di ba? Baka iwan mo na kita dyan ha. Sikasuhin ko lang yung booth.
So they set this up. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Ball. Oh. Oh. His name's Precious. He put on his
Oh yeah.
jersey. Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Bobby is big.
Bobby kasi as in basketball big star.
Bobby is big.
In Indonesia.
Yeah, in Indonesia.
Okay, baby.
Maybe a baby.
Oh.
Okay, bagay.
Since we are not. Oh, see,
Yeah.
Precious.
Let's go!
Huh?
Precious, there you are.
He looks like Josh, for real.
Yeah.
Here, I got you a snack.
Punta dito yan. Di ba kalaban yan? Boy, umalis ka boy. Bawal dito si Sul. Alis, alis.
Nagagawa ko dito.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ano ba? Okay lang.
Andito lang din ako para sa grades. Okay lang, wala na ba? Problem.
So also, so the oh
He got mad.
yeah.
It's the jealousy, guys. The attitude.
It's a great sport.
Ha? Hindi kita naririnig, sorry.
I just thought you're for someone.
First of one? Kanino naman? Para sa grades lang to. Tsaka plus points sa card.
So why he?
Hindi naman ako alam.
Why she playing them like that?
Woman.
Oh,
No shit, but
no, bro, you can do it, bro. I think it's going to be missed. See?
Tikat lang. Fair.
Kasi
Anong foul doon?
Oh. Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Let's get married.
what?
Oh,
What is it?
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Let's get married.
Let's get married.
Water.
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Let's get married.
yeah.
Right?
Water.
Ano na bulunan?
Wait, guys, may water ba kayo? Kung pwede ko lang tayo ibigay, kaso may gamot to.
okay ka lang?
Nabibigla ka naman. Trip na to.
Will you marry me?
But they're too young.
Mukha mo.
Mukha mo. That's a foul.
Kaya nga bumabawi na ako, di ba?
Oh my god, he's such a bad boy.
Remember, we didn't make it last year because of what happened. That's why I wanna marry you.
What the accent? I love the Filipinos accent.
Okay na, nakabubon na ako doon. Okay lang sa akin.
So, is it a yes?
Masyado kayo. Kaya kayo. Kami kayo may nagkakasya. Sige na nga, wala naman akong choice eh.
Girl. Wow. I feel bad.
Mukhang hindi ikaw MVP sa puso niya, tol.
Hindi ka naman mautusan sa inyong magluto. Pero,
well.
instant chef ka. Pabonggahan ka. For sure tayo naman nanalo dito kasi yung coffee jelly natin, hindi ordinaryo. Ito ay coffee ko na kulay rosas. Ang lambot-lambot pag hinimas-himas. Di ka gaya ng iba dyan.
Oh,
Pa, yun na yun. If I know yung tubig na ginamit nyo dyan galing na wasa. Tingnan nyo tong amin. Kifi jelly.
okay.
Pasabog to. Heret! O, loko! Kifi jelly na nakakababae. Pag yung sinip-sip, ikaw ay sisikip.
Tingnan natin. Nice plating, ha? I like it. Ay, ma'am, dito ka sa amin. May pa-free taste kami. Dali, try nyo. Nice. Sure, dear.
Ay, ma'am, dito ka. Huwag ka dyan. Yung main ingredient ng coffee jelly nila, salmonella.
What is
Try mo yung
salmonella?
sa amin.
It's a dangerous bacteria that
Oh,
could form if you cook the chicken uncooked
Okay.
or raw or unclean, something like that.
2 hours namin tong pinakulo ang coffee jelly para nanunuot yung lasa ng kape.
Let's go. Sige, yan na lang pala. In fairness, parang yung mukha mo yung napakuluan. Man! This coffee jelly is consistent of the secret ingredients with a kick of a rose aroma, pure caffeine with free Wi-Fi password and CR pass for all mutual genders, and
Tell 'em, girl.
hindi barado, may bilis, plus hindi mapanghe. Ang bomba.
Napaka-cheap naman service ninyo. Etong coffee jelly namin has Wi-Fi.
Cappuccino
With
chincha, ganun.
Wi-Fi password, router, and a speed up to 300 Mbps.
Oh.
May DTI permit, FDA approved, at bibigyan pa namin kayo ng staycation sa Resorts World or Okada hatid sundo.
Ay, may pa-staycation. Gusto ko yan. But our offer doesn't end there. Ma'am, if you avail of one coffee jelly, you'll also get 5K worth of grocery products with free massage to your husband, free manicure and pedicure for your mother,
Oh my God.
Alpha Mart!
5K
Yeah.
worth of a robot for your son and daughter,
Natutuwan sila nito.
and a 7 days and 2 nights stay to Singapore for the whole family.
7 days. That's
Ma'am,
so...
lemonade?
Are you sure na gusto mong i-compare yung lemonade ninyo sa aming cucumber lemonade? Our cucumber lemonade has L-carnitine, glutathione, collagen, at syempre meron pang kasamang gin 4 cantos to ng pinigaan ng calamansi juice. At syempre may kasama pang pulutan at kainuman. At kung gusto mo magmamauwi pa ako,
They really,
Kahit
they
cucumber
really
na
sell
lang.
this thing
Sa akin,
out.
yan, pwede ka nang pamalit ng lemonade. May papulutan?
di ba nanalo ka naman ng 5K worth of grocery? Ikaw na bumili, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is not just an ordinary lemonade. This is a classic lemonade. As the saying
Classic
goes
lemon.
by, time is gold.
Anong connect?
It remains classic, but unforgettable.
Oh.
Laks ng hamats nito.
But ma'am, before you step out of your comfort zone, allow us to give you the special token of appreciation
Oh,
presented on 13th of July, year
Free?
2024 for your special participation in this food fest presented to you by the one and only Rizal section.
Oh my God.
Ay, ma'am, wait lang, sandali. O, bago ka umalis, papabaunan ka namin ng mga to. O, dahil naniniwala kami, ma'am, na dapat hindi lang ikaw ang chumibo.
Yeah.
Dapat pati pamilya mo busog, di ba? Tingnan mo tong kapatid ko. Busog na busog, oh. At sabog na sabog. O, ito na, ma'am. Busog na ito. Pasamog rin.
O siya, I have to go na, may kasi pa ako. Diyan na yung mga judge din in a bit. Boys, tulungan niyo ako dito, may mga groceries pa. Yan ta.
Judge?
Hindi si ma'am.
Ay, hindi pa si Ma'am Castro yung judge. Hindi si Ma'am Castro yung...
Okay, what session is this?
Oh my God.
Please present your
Yeah.
Ma'am, baka gusto niyo simutin na lang.
Damn. Oh,
That's the reason why they all out.
yeah. Dito, if she was a judge.
Oh, there's a wedding? Really a wedding?
Oh, like in high school.
Here, I doubled the amount just to make sure na matuloy this time.
Para kanino po yan?
Precious Batong Bakal, soon to be Manalo.
Oh.
Ikaw ba si Precious?
Mama ka sa amin.
Alam ko na to, jailboot na naman. Kano bayad? Dito ko na bayaran.
Ah, hindi. Wedding booth.
Wedding booth.
Wedding booth? Kuya, ayoko! Ayoko na patagalin to. Tara na!
Wedding booth? Hi, Brent. Take Precious to be my wedded wife. I love you, Precious.
I love his voice.
Kuya, parang po muna sa kanya, mabilis lang, kausapin ko lang po.
Bakit?
Mama,
Alam mo, sinisira mo fantasy ko mamaya ka na. Kuya, ikasal mo na ako. Diretso ka mo.
Kaya 5 seconds lang po, mabilis lang.
Yeah, thanks, po.
I do, Father.
Sige lang, kasal!
Precious?
Precious?
Yeah, the way
The pronunciation.
Precious is oh my God.
Oh.
The place. Why the...
Oh, will they fight?
Precious!
Set up Simba.
No.
Ay, alam mo na.
Uy, ba't sumisingit? Bakit sumisingit? Siya, nandali mo lang akong makita.
Basta, malapit ka lang. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Oh.
Ready ka na ba, Precious?
Ready, Sam.
Ready for what?
Yan na naman, may sisingit na naman. Uy!
Kumila ka doon. Yan.
Bro! What the fuck?
100%.
I knew it. Oh!
Relax ka lang. Huwag ka masyadong maingay. Wala yan. Mabait yan.
Yes!
Oh.
This dialogue.
So he got
Like
a negative thinking, like,
they having
negative.
sex, you know.
mm.
But, yeah.
Agad eh.
Hala. Ang laki ng ulo. Siyang dandahan lang. Natatakot na ako. Bamis na ako.
Ito na, Precious. Grabe, Precious. Sobrang sigit.
Malapit na ba?
Ayun na. Malapit na. Bibilisan ko pa. Ito na, Precious. Ito na.
Brent, dito ka rin?
Unahan ka na naman, Tol.
Oh, my.
La, wow.
Siyempre, yung section yung di magpapatalo pagdating sa mga stage.
Girl.
Okay, grade 9 honor section. Alam niyo naman na sa inyo nakatoka yung Florante at Laura. Now, mamimili tayo kung sino yung gagawin na Laura.
Mom, the
and
makeup.
volunteer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Si Precious
It's
dyan.
giving.
Yes! Grade 9 represent! Ma'am, hindi nga, ma'am.
Oh, baby, to.
Laura kasi, hindi mo kang lampara. May point. Nahimik ka nga dyan ng pepe. Ikaw din naman Look, we're talking. Gaze at the back, ha? Warning. Anyone?
His expression.
Wala? Okay, Florante muna. May gusto ba
Ma'am, I volunteer.
Oh.
Yes.
O Laura ang aking iniibig. Ako'y nagbalik.
Oh, the
Proton ay
dress.
aming
Is that
naibalik.
the dress
Sa
that
kabutihan, ito'y
bunny that looks like Mariah?
Mabuti ikay nasa mabuting kalooban. Ako'y nag-aalala at lagi kang pinagdarasal.
Hey.
Ngunit,
Oh.
may ikay nasa aking piling. Maluwag ng kalooban. Nabunutan ng tingin.
Yeah! Tropa ko yan! Yes! Go, guys! Correct. We have our Florante.
Oh.
I think the role suits me better, ma'am. At mas bagay kami ni Laura.
Yeah, I mean, like the way he speak, right?
Yeah, the way. Yeah, he's so gentle. But,
But he cheats, you know.
Ang bawat sandali ikay
no, he cheat. The other guy.
ng maraming taon sa akin.
But he's not cheat. He just
Huwag kang mag-alala ako, hindi ko
His
His-
little sister.
his younger sister.
But he chat her bestie.
Ang ibig ko sa'yo, walang maliw.
Slide in her DMs. Yeah.
O Laura.
He asked what her favorite food.
I don't know.
She told me,
Is that
Cheat.
is that an excuse or no?
well, that's the truth.
Ganda ng best friend ko. English pa. Pwede naman yung Tagalog.
I think we have 2 volunteers from different sections, so let's settle this through votings, okay? Who's in favor of Sean from section Rizal? Six, 37, 14, Sean. And now, who's in favor for Mr. Brett Manalo?
Oh,
12, 2, 5.
Boys, ha? Also 37. We have a tie. Now, paano to? Boys, baka may gustong maparaya sa inyo.
Sa akin na lang to, pre. Pang-character ka na lang.
Wow!
Never let go of this. Never. Not anymore.
Wow!
Never let go of this. Never.
Pang-character ka na lang.
Wow!
Never let go of this.
I love the effect when it,
when it-
yeah,
Yeah.
that's so,
Not anymore.
oh,
kayaknya dia gak mau kalah lagi ya.
yeah.
Daming satsat.
Oh,
Perfect.
CR ka lang pala, Miss Batong Bakal. Ma'am? Sino pipiliin mo sa dalawa? Si Sean o si Brent?
Oh, si Sean na yan, ma'am, for sure. Di ba?
I go for Brent, ma'am. Sean, sometimes you just have to let's go.
Ma'am, kailangan po ba talaga?
As Florante, nak ha? Huwag assuming. Si ano po, si...
Double time, break the
si-
tie.
Ano po, si...
Ano, matagal pa ba?
Ma'am, I volunteer for the role of Laura.
Oh.
Tama ka na, Chucky doll!
Why he
That's why he always be one of my favorite character in the series, guys.
he
He always he's what?
he never let he never let go his intrusive talk.
Yeah.
He always let it out all, guys.
I love him.
With it, we have our
He's the one who
Ma'am,
said that,
prescription
oh,
daw
it smells like Thai.
Yeah.
All yours, bro.
Ha? Ma'am, baback out na lang po ako. Di ba sabi mo, hindi mo na siya bibitawan? Eh, di sa'yo na. Sa'yo na.
Oh, bro, sa'yo na. Mas bagay kayo.
Oy, mas bagay kayo.
Teka, class, naguguluhan ako. Ba't nagbaback out? Bakit ba pasikot-sikot? Para bang pinapaikot-ikot talaga? May ano ba talaga ang next move nyo?
Andiyan ka pa pala. Precious, I have the best role for you. Sure, ma'am.
What?
Aminin, isa ka rin sa mga bidder pag hindi section niyo yung nagpe-perform.
Vengeance is not ours.
Oh my god.
Com arts. What is com art?
That's my girl.
Chucky, shut up.
Ano yun?
He's so handsome, right?
Now let us welcome our
So
second
good looking.
contestant.
Like Justin Padre.
Panalo na kami!
Hindi niyo sure.
Frasia's breakthroughs.
Vengeance is not ours.
Oh.
Wow. Feel it.
Dinidiscard yan si Precious. Sino mo?
I'm a child. So young. So thin. So red.
Why are you whispering at each other? And 5 ugly face came
Oh, the sabotage. The sabotage. Oh, wow. Oh, it's getting more intense, guys.
Oh, they feeling it.
Week off?
What's his other?
We heard a voice call.
Oh, you hear the voice calling.
I think she forgot her lines.
Ano isa? It's the first one.
Swear.
Oh, she forgot the line. The line. Oh, the way he helped her. That's so.
We saw a group of jackals eating.
Is this the weirdo?
No, that's.
Oh yeah.
Oh, forgot. Jujutsu Kaisen.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Sensei. For Hook.
Yeah, yeah,
we knew, but
Yeah, but we forgot that.
yeah, I love the cameo. Period.
Nani?
And everything
Went.
You! You! Why are you staring at me?
Oo nga. Why do you keep staring at her?
No.
Kanina ka pa. Kala mo di kita nakikita.
O ano naman? Ikaw nga, kanina ka pa video ng video eh.
Oh.
Ano bang gusto mo?
Just tita. Just like what I used to do.
Oh.
Do you know my mother?
Exactly. Do you know tita?
That was 5 years ago.
Eh, 5 years naman na pala eh. Kung makaasta to, akala mo kung sino.
Are you trying to say something?
Oh.
Sino ka ba sa buhay niya? Baka nakakalimutan mo.
No.
Na ex ka na.
Oh.
Ano, tol?
So, bro?
Baklo, Brent versus Sean.
Tupagin mo, pre!
Ano?
What's the commotion here?
Papaitan ka sa akin, ha?
Hala! Sean, hey! Look at me, guys, please. Brent, hindi ko yung Brent na kilala ko. Ano ba? Eh, talaga. Mag-TV nga kayo.
But inside that... Oh, girl. Ooh. I think they hit Precious.
But why they act like that?
Bravo, everyone. That's my question.
They thought it was a part of the drama.
Gusto ko yung labi ni Precious. That's not part of the piece?
Presyo, sigurado ka? Okay ka lang?
Oh my god.
I thought
They thought it was
it's part of the stage. Part of the act.
wow.
Mm-hmm. I really love the face of the teacher was wow. Wow.
And when she said the lip, her lips is small.
Hindi, promise, okay lang. Hindi masakit, medyo makadepress siya ng slide.
Just really wanna apologize for what happened with you. Just give me a minute, okay? Tawagin ko
Uy,
yung
okay na, huwag
cabinet
na.
doctor.
Huwag ka na matabala. Di naman masakit nga. Mas masakit pa yung pagkatalo ko sa declamation kanina.
Hindi,
Oh.
Precious. May kakilala ko taga sa amin si Aling Ine. Magaling na manghihilot yun. Tsaka maniniwala ka ba dyan? Niloko ka niyan.
Ano ba? Okay nga lang sabi. Tsaka malayo naman to sa bitukan, no?
Huh?
Parang kagat lang to ng langgam.
Sorry.
Interesting.
Precious, sa akin yung bag mo, atid na kita.
No. My driver's on the way. I'm dropping you off.
Yes, this is
Okay,
X
let's-
versus
The driver?
Akin na.
what?
The drivers are on
My
the way
driver's on the way. I'm dropping you off.
to pick
Nakita.
you up.
No. My driver's on the way. I'm dropping you off.
So he's rich.
Akin na.
Yeah, I guess.
Akin na.
Wow, this
Wala man akong pambili ng sasakyan, pero may pambili ako ng yelo para dyan sa pasar mo. Gusto mo, tagtetwest pa eh.
I think cold compress will do.
Ice nga, di ba? Ice ka din ah.
Cold compress done by a professional pilosopo.
Pinagsasabi mo.
Ano ba? Kanina pa kayo, ha? Ano gusto yung madagdagan pa ito ng isa? Kaloka kayo. Akin yung bag. Kaya ko umuwi ng isa.
Oh my god.
when will the fight happen?
Candy na lang yung sukli, ah.
It happens everywhere.
Yeah.
That's a cheater, guys.
Yeah,
I had it when
that's
that
scam.
happens.
That's
I
scam.
have it. Yeah, and they said like it's a 500. I'm like
Yeah.
that one can is 100, ma'am.
Ate, may yelo po kayo.
Di pa matigas.
Eh, baka naman kahit onti lang para sa sugat ko.
Eh, di patigasin mo.
Boy,
Oh, excuse me.
Ito na yung soft drinks mo, Iho.
Padagdag ng yelo.
Yellow, sure. Marami kami dito. Mamili ka. Gusto mo ito? Or medyo malaki?
Ay, ano yan, te? May favoritism? Pag sa kanya matigas na agad yung ice, tapos sa akin hindi.
Samantalang wala naman kayo narinig sa akin. Siniplan niyo ako ng candy, ah. Ayos pa
The color grading change.
Yeah, this is her side, you know.
Alam ng mangga. Puro magic sugar pa.
Tapos nung kinakasama pa ng loob ko.
Yung champurado yun. Parang bahaw lang na nilagyan ng konting kokwa. Tinipid pa sa evaporada. Walang kalasa-lasa. Binaboy niyo yung paborito ko. Yung paborito ko, champurado.
Cham-cham?
Huwag mo ako mag-cham-cham-cham.
Oh my god.
Another
This fine boy.
Precious! Ako to, si Jared!
ako to si Jack.
Ala! Champurado? Parang kay Santa Barbara. Yung ano, yung pogi partner mo sa Sagala. Grade, ano ba tayo nun?
Grade 4. Cham-cham. Cham-cham ikaw.
Oh?
Ah, the flashback. But the ice ensembles though. Yeah. Yes, songs more.
Oh,
Ano ba kasi ginagawa mo dito?
Eh, ikaw. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ito. Wala. Nabangasan lang ako.
Ano? Banks?
Nabangasan lang kasi ako.
Arte naman na ito. Nga. Wala. Oo nga. Nagkabangs ka nga dito. Ibinata ka na.
Bangas kasi yun. Bangas kasi yun. Alam mo ito, hindi ka na nagbago.
Teka lang ha. Kunin ko lang yelo. Ate, kunin ko na pa yung yelo.
Sa sobrang kartihan nyo, tunaw na yung yelo.
Okay lang yan. Di naman maarte to eh. Di ba, Cham-Cham?
Cham-Cham?
Ano ko sa'yo? Dati nga kinakaimin ko lang ako eh.
Sinasabi mo?
Sabi mo pa nun, wala pang 5 seconds.
Oo, naalala ko yun. Ay, hindi ko pa naalala yun. Wala akong pinagagawang ganyan dati, no? Gawa-gawa ka talaga.
Sus! Maaari ka pa.
Eh, ikaw nga dati, nakatayo sa classroom yun yung grade 1.
Everyone did that,
Yeah.
right?
Not me.
Someone I know did that.
You!
Ikaw naman kasi. Kung ano ang pinagagawa mo. Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. Lampa ka pa rin.
Oh.
Buti na lang nandito ako.
Ikaw naman kasi eh. Buti naman naging
Oh.
ba't ka naman sa
Oh.
But yeah, when you
Kung wala ka, paano yan?
blow the
Gagawin
balloons,
sa'yo.
it feels nice, right?
Pwede ba sa akin na lang? Sige na nga. Ang tawa mo talaga sa champorado. Cham-cham. Thank you po, cham-cham.
Oh my God.
Sa'y nagtatama, pero baka ika'y naiilang
Uy! Ciao! Nakikinig ka pa ba?
damdamin.
Hello?
Ha? Siyempre.
Lutang ka na naman eh. Ang sabi ko, pinatanggap ka ba?
Tanggap? Ano yung tanggap?
Yung mga text ko. Kanina pa kitang umaga kinukontak eh. Surprise sana kita na nakabalik na kami. Tapos papatulong sana ako sa'yo sa enrollment.
Hindi pa rin sila siya ng bro.
Ano?
Wala. Ito pala yun. Storbo ka masyado.
Wow! Ako pa istorbo ah. Ikaw nga yung istorbo dyan eh.
Or
Napalot
text.
ako para sa'yo. Not once, but twice. Sa SIM 1 at SIM 2 ko pa. Tagalog at English para mas maunawaan mo.
Ikaw yung dalawa nagte-text?
Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit.
Loko.
Why it's becoming more? Oh, wait for the noise.
The trauma.
The triangle.
What about them?
Oh,
Three of them are fine.
hold on. See?
Who's that?
Lalaki ba yun?
Is it a guy?
Stay here with them yung bag.
Utusan mo ba ako? Sa itong bag, pupuntahan ko na.
Since. Precious?
Uy,
Sino sila?
si Sean tsaka si Brent, mga ano ko,
Mga ano mo?
ano,
Why is some bosses like
ano yun pala yung bag ko eh.
Pero no precious natin lang.
Sige,
No precious here coming with.
pwede naman.
Kaya sa akin kasasama. Akin na yung bag mo. Kung kani-kanino ka pa sumasama, magkatapat lang tayo ng bahay.
Oh,
Tara na.
Just
hold them all. Hold
you could do it. It's only three.
three. What? Four. What?
I mean, like, there's only three of them. You could do it.
No,
You just choose one.
if they are four people, so we call it what? If three.
I don't know.
No.
I'm so innocent for that talk, but yeah. What just happened,
Oh
Pachios?
my God.
44 minutes.
44 minutes. And almost 40 minutes in. Wow. The duration is
Yeah.
really good. Wow. Wow.
High school.
Oh my god.
Yes, I know Simba. Wow.
I don't know
That-
what to say, guys.
Yeah. Oh, it's please release sooner. We want to know the
Oh, yeah.
end because this was uploaded
And
when
a few days ago, July 21,
21, like a week ago.
a week ago almost.
Oh,
Yeah, a week ago.
oh wow. I think I wish that he upload the
Wow.
video once a week, so we can see
Yeah.
it like
But
in.
it's so because the edit
Yeah.
edit,
It took time to edit that
Yeah.
all, but still,
oh my god,
what
so
the
many,
experience.
hilarious
As
moments.
near, yes. But still, my favorite moment is the high school
Yeah.
breakup. What high school breakup?
Well, every episode has their own.
Heartbreak experience. Yes, especially the Thai one.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, this is the reaction video. Bye bye.